Caught in the Rain by Beth Hart. Friends, this song here is live at the Royal Albert Hall. Let's play the song. What you got, what you got, what you got? I'm so ready. I cannot wait.
I'm under your spell. And it ain't nobody's business.
Oh my God. Wow.
I'm already there, child. And it ain't nobody's business. Shame. Every time he walks out the door, I wonder, is he ever coming back?
Wow. Wow.
I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe, and the howl and the wind and the rough of his hand. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man.
Come on.
I got caught out in the rain.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
In the
This is really good. It feels so personal.
I heard him crying sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he's been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him he's gonna be alright. But I know that he knows that I'm just a lion. I heard he shot a man in the street, and it tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, oh, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man.
Oh my God. She does not care. She does not care. She is in love with that guy. I mean, seriously, guys, this is such a beautiful, beautiful song. You know, it's one of those songs that really do feel personal 100%. This is not your normal Beth Hart that you get to listen to, but there is so much emotions in her voice, and yeah, let's go. Wow,
I
wow.
got caught out in the rain, in the rain.
Wow. Wow.
I come round by the side of his bed. I look to the ceiling. I come down by the side of his bed. I look up to the ceiling and I say, God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man.
Oh my God, come
God,
on, man.
don't take my man.
Listen to the way the song was like building, eh?
I don't want to live without a man. I don't want to live without a man. I don't want to live without a man. Sit in the day, oh yeah. Sit in the day, oh yeah. Oh, sit in that there. I got caught out in rain. If I die, I don't care, I don't care. I'm in love, I'm in love. I got caught out, I got caught out,
Let's be for real. Like seriously, this is the best. This is the better, but this is probably the best song I think I've listened to from Beth Hart. Are you guys listening to these notes here? Are you guys listening to how crazy these notes really are? She is going absolutely all the way in. She does not hold anything back. I mean, the way that note at the end, it kind of felt like she was basically releasing. Man, I just don't know if that is even the right word to say, but this is a song that you can really feel. You get chills in your bones. You're like, I feel like I'm mumbling words, man. Let's just play the song. Like, seriously, it's wild. Yeah, I agree. I think so too. I think I gotta back that note up a little bit. I think so.
I got caught out in rain. If I die, I don't care, I don't care. I'm in love, I'm in love. I got caught out, I just incredible.
God. Like, I'm so speechless. I don't even know what to say. I seriously don't even know what to say. There is nothing for me to say. There is literally nothing else left for me to say besides saying this was, I mean, yeah, I totally do agree. According to Danny, this may be his top female vocal ever. Like, how can I disagree with that? How can I disagree with that? With Beth Hart. She is seriously no joke. We're talking about the way she delivers the song. Like, look, guys, I've reacted to a lot of songs, but I don't think I've ever been lost for words. I am lost for words. I am absolutely lost for words right now. This was absolutely incredible. What in the world? What in the world? Are you serious? Beth Hart, Caught Out in the Rain. This is probably my favorite song of the night.